3 Tax Appeal Risks Hall County Tax Advisors understand. The best Hall County tax advisors are providers of turnkey services essential in effective and efficient management of annual property taxes. These tax professionals will not only provide competent representation during the appeals process but will also provide a wide range of consultation services regarding taxation for residential, commercial, and agricultural property. You will also benefit from the tax advisor's comprehensive knowledge and skills in minimizing 3 types of risks. Keep in mind that you will likely have little to no knowledge and skills in these areas, which will jeopardize your chances of winning your property assessment appeal. Number 1 Financial Risk. When you choose your Hall County tax advisors well, you will likely enjoy the benefits of substantial tax savings when you win the property assessment appeal. Your property's assessed value can be significantly reduced, which means that your tax liability will also be lower. You can enjoy the tax savings for the current and succeeding taxable years when you win the appeal. Truly, an excellent incentive to pay for the professional fees of tax consultants. Tax savings are not all there is to hiring the best tax advisors for your Hall County property assessment appeal. You will also appreciate the contingency fee structure provided by the tax advisors, which means that your payment of their professional fees will depend on their ability to deliver a winning appeal. You can also find Hall County tax advisors who offer a hybrid fee structure wherein you will pay for a reasonable engagement fee at the start and then pay the full fee after the appeal has been approved in your favor. Number 2 Time Risk. Depending on several factors, such as the number of real properties involved and their assessed values, the assessment process can take between 6 and 18 months to complete. The process involves several steps in every phase, several documents for compliance, and several people to deal with during the meetings and hearings. With competent Hall County tax advisors on board, you can let them handle the details for every step, document, and people related to the appeal process. You can devote your time to other matters in your life, such as your work, family and friends, without worrying that you are missing deadlines, documents and deals. Your tax advisors will not only gather the evidence for your appeal but will also represent you during the hearings with the Board of Assessors, Board of Equalization, and Superior Court, among other government bodies. Your time can be spent on learning the basics of the appeals process. Number 3 Performance Risk. You may own the property but you will likely not possess the comprehensive knowledge and skills of Hall County tax advisors where tax appeals are concerned. As such, your performance during the meetings and hearings will not beat the performance of the tax advisors. It cannot be overemphasized that your lack of sufficient knowledge and skills will jeopardize your chances for winning your appeal. You will be more likely to prepare invalid documents, answer questions in an ineffective manner, and miss the deadlines, among other mistakes. The bottom line, you need not expose yourself to the financial risks, time risks, and performance risks associated with the assessment appeal process, thanks to the assistance of Hall County tax advisors.